Look at this view. Isn't that pretty? It's a scenic overlook. Look how pretty it is. And that's your 360 of it. Isn't that pretty? Here's the vegetation. Look at the vegetation. There's some pretty purple flowers down here. Hope I'm capturing them. So pretty. Look at this walk. Look at that. That's over the edge there. Look how pretty that is. And off in the distance. Look at this, how pretty this is. The purple flowers. It's so pretty. But look out that way. Gorgeous. Super pretty. There's that thing there. The purple flower. See the purple flower? Ooh. Ooh.